Here is a brief glance at my nature journal. I've been using this since Ruben's first grade year, so it's 2 years of drawings for me. And I am not an artist, but I liked doing it with the kids when we would do it together. So, whenever I could, I would make sure. These are from Ruben's kindergarten year. The first grade, I'm sorry. These are from Ruben's first grade year. And then it'll go over to second grade eventually. I would say as a mom, you should do some of this stuff with your kids so that you can grow and learn too. Also, it's super fun. Yeah, Esther? There's my dragon from long, long ago. Sometimes we draw things from books.
There's your dolly.
Yeah, there's my doll and the spoon. So now I guess we're into the same thing. And here is, we did a flowering dogwood tree study this year. So I took a picture of it in spring, in winter. No, that's summer. Summer, winter, and spring. And pasted them in here and drew some pictures. And there's a lily picture.
Wait, remember that, Mama?
Mm-hmm.
Did you just have fun?
Yeah. There's lavender. Here is my notes on the globe amaranth. I have gotten myself a new nature journal this year, so I'm going to do years 3 and 4 in that nature journal. This was our Van Gogh study where we painted something from Van Gogh.
Vincent Van Gogh.
Vincent Van Gogh, yeah. Here's my woof. Some notes on the woof. And that's it. I still have some blank pages in mine too. Yep. I don't know how much I'll get done nature journaling this year because we have an Esther, don't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. And Esther is the bester, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.